How to fix something went wrong error in dice stream. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like something went wrong error in your dice stream app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your device setting. So simply open the device setting. Alright, so now from here you'll have to scroll down and go the option app. So simply tap on the app settings. Okay, so from the app setting you'll have to scroll down and find the app dice stream. Alright, so after you find the app dice stream you'll have to just tap on that app. Okay, so from the app info of dice stream you'll have to just tap on this first stop option just at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on that, and now after that you'll have to just scroll down and go to the option storage. And now from here you'll have to, as usual, clear the data of this dice stream, so it will appear at the bottom left corner. Alright, tap on this OK. Alright, so after you done this procedure, from here you'll be able to fix the problem like something went wrong error in your dice stream. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.